welcome. So today I wanted just to throw this one out on the YouTube, and if you are a beginner and you like to create your own sound or modify the basic factory sounds, then this is for you. So here I just wanted to show you an example how I make sounds to be more interesting, sounds to be more, you know, uh, more unique if you want. Because let me just show you. So the bass sound of this is this one. So really a banal sound. But then what you can do, and what I have done, is I created auxiliary files, auxiliary channels. So these auxiliary channels, I'm using it to put effects on it. For example, I have this auxiliary one where I have put guitar rig for the effects, and then I routed throughout bus 1. So here you can put like buses, groups if you want, and then each track, each channel can have access, and I can tell him how much the sound can go throughout this auxiliary. But I don't want entirely, so I want to blend the original sound with the, treated or modified, modulated sound. So now it's like this, and now when it's crossing the bus 1, so you listen, it's much intriguing, much interesting. And that's the fantastic idea. And once more, if I'm cutting it down, now listen. So this is great. And now, of course, you can see I have a secondary auxiliary. You can put as much as you want, but you don't have to, exaggerate. I wanted a little bit of reverb, a little bit of space to this sound, because that's what it's missing. So I had just the Valhalla reverb, and I routed it to the bus 2. So now they have their own space. So I wanted just to show you that this is the way, one of the ways, as I am trying to modify sounds, the stock sounds of an instrument, trying to create things that are more interesting by using on auxiliary channels, putting effects and then routing the sound throughout them and putting some kind of effects. Effects can be reverse, flanger, modulation, shifting, and distortion, and so much so forth. So that could be anything you can try out, and pitching, so blending. There are so many options that you can put, and those will definitely add to the bass sound and just change the the factory or default sound. So I hope this was informative, and see you next time. Bye bye.